Hi everyone, let's unbox and talk about this 4K HDR dash cam. This is the A139 Pro and it's a 2-channel camera. So it will record the front and the back of your vehicle and it is incredible, you guys. It has a 24-hour parking mode and it records the speed, time, and route data to the video file. I am amazed with this product. Check this out. This is how it looks like. This is the camera itself, and of course you're going to be putting this on the front of your dash. Check it out. It is incredible and it comes with everything you need to install it down here, including manuals and all the other stuff like cables. Check it out. And of course, all the way down here, you're going to see that you get another camera. And this one is smaller and it goes on your back of the car so it can record anything that's happening behind you. I definitely recommend you guys check this out and get yourselves one. Whether you think or you don't know if you're going to get into an accident, it can happen and it's prone to happening. Whether someone scratches on your car or anything happens, you want to make sure you have video and footage evidence of it. And what is a better way to do it than with this dash cam? It's going to record both the front and the back, giving you peace of mind, and it has so many different features. Definitely recommend you go check it out. It is an incredible device.